Yo guys, for today's video, we're gonna showcase a Nightmare script here made by Horizon. Nightmare aka Zion, we're gonna showcase the script. This script has a lot, it has a lot of features like ESP, yeah, you can ESP people, you can ESP resources, drop items like that. You can ESP animals, get to farm fat. You can highlight the soldiers so you know where they at if you wanna farm them for more AR. And here we got the raid section. Of course, the just ESP it will highlight all of these. The storage box this for is gonna highlight this, and the sleeper ESP is gonna highlight these people, the sleeping people. And of course the most I think one of the overpowered features is their ESP. Yeah, their ESP, like you can see how much doors it is to raid the base, so you can calculate it. Then of course we have the client. You can disable the terrain, remove leaves from the trees, and terrain changer. Yeah, you can like change the terrain. You can change the whole material to smooth plastic, yeah, etc. And it has a FPS boost, which is good if you have like a crappy Wi-Fi, yeah, like that. And we have of course one of the overpowered stuff, the chat spy. It's like you can see people if you're doing like private message stuff. And we have the client information, it shows your ping, FPS. And here, one of my favorite, UI dim. You can choose the UI colors, and you can make it rainbow if you want. You can like remove title animation, unload UI background setting, and you can like change the background to anime. You can change it to definitive, try hard. It's one of my favorite. And beautiful, yeah. You can change its background. And yeah, like this is an overpowered script, and yeah, that's all.